What's up, gang? Just going to do a quick recap of my day at the desk. It was a good day overall. I'm ending the day up. I'm green. I'm up $400 on the day. So I came into the market open. I took a short, got induced, cut that quickly as I realized price was moving against me. Caught a couple nice longs, took profits aggressively. End of the day green. So let's get into this. So when I got to the desk in the morning, as usual, I looked at the 15-minute chart, and we had this news yesterday, the CPI come in and had this big drop and then price push back up. Into the overnight session, it was basically, chopping around the start of day VWAP. London session, we get this push down. Price finds support at previous day's New York VWAP, and it comes back up. So looking at this overall 15-minute chart, I'm leaning long bias. Coming into the market open, I flipped my bias shortly, and I'll get into that as we get into this trade and explain a little more what I was thinking. But let's get into the actual trades. So market open, we get price, tries to take the New York VWAP, pulls lower. NQ is looking bullish, but I'm kind of caught up in this short move here, and I'm induced in looking to chase this momentum. There was a part of me that was missing out on the action that was yesterday. I couldn't be at the desk. I made actually a great video, so I'd definitely go check it out. Yesterday's video, I talk about my thought process not being at the desk and seeing all the price action and the FOMO. But anyways, there must have been a part of me in the back of my head that I didn't quite let go of that FOMO. I decide to chase this short as it breaks the start of day VWAP, which is actually ES's point of control. I'm looking for previous day's VWAP. There's orders down here at 60.50. I think we can get a push lower. Here I am, just totally got caught in the moment, induced. I enter the short. Immediately price turns around. And as we come back up into the start of day VWAP, I'm starting to think to myself, what did I do? Why did I take this trade? Why did I rush it? I should have waited for the opening range to set. I didn't. As we come back up to the New York VWAP, I said, what the hell? I need to cut this trade. I'm not happy with it. I wasn't happy with the entry. I had a few minutes to think about it. I'm wrong. I need to know I'm wrong, and I admitted I was wrong. So I took the loss. So I'm down $200 to start, $212 basically on one XFA to start the morning. I give it a few minutes. I shake it off, and I think to myself, I'm going to look for a long now. Everything is long bias. NQ is looking quite bullish. So I enter on this New York break here of the New York VWAP. There's orders up here at 60.90, which is a target for me. And basically the opening range high is now set, which is 60.90. As price kind of chops around here, I'm a little bit nervous taking that first loss. So I'm hesitant. I'm like, what do I do? I'm just trying to make sure I can talk myself through the trade itself. As we basically come up to the opening range high, price rejects it. We get a small push down here. I closed 237. The reason I closed here is I was just basically got back my loss from the first trade. We usually close our trade at the top of the opening range high just to be aggressive, as price could easily reject back down. And I just wanted to get that loss back, and I was happy with it. Content, took my close here, and we got this big push higher. And I wasn't one bit upset. But now I'm looking for another trade. My third and final trade was basically I missed this move. We get a small pullback. As we come back into the opening range high and break the high day VWAP, I look to get long again. I took profits super aggressively on this trade, and this had to do with bookmap. When I had my bookmap up, we had orders at 95, 96, and then orders at 6,100. 6,100 was my original target. But once these orders at 95 filled, which is basically the previous high, bookmap lit up above and below, very reminiscent of me of MOC. And MOC, the price action for the last 5 minutes is wild, the swings, because there's just so many sellers and buyers in the market with orders just above and below price. They're just pushing it each and every which way. As soon as I saw that, I was still feeling, obviously, from my first loss of the morning. And at this point, I'm like, you know what? I just want to take profits. I got a busy day today. I need to get some stuff done off the desk. So I came in, I took profits here. I'm up 225 on the XFA. So basically took that loss, made that loss back. Now I'm up 225. And then I took a trade in this, my straight to funded 50K account. And I was up 160 on that one. So You know what? All in all, good day to end the day. I'm ending the day almost $400 in the green. You know, we had this move up, but this is where, you know, as a new trader, you take your time and you start to understand you don't need to catch every move or all of the move. So this is something I can walk away from the desk feeling good about. So yeah, just coming back and looking at the week and the month overall, if you look at the bigger picture, I had a tilt day, I had a loss day on Monday, and I've managed to just kind of, you know, get my confidence back and work my way back up to getting that payout. So something to keep in mind as a new trader, and you know, I just like to pass this on to other new traders, is always zoom out. Don't let these red days, you know, discourage you from being a new trader and learning how to trade. It's something that's going to come and it's going to happen. You just got to keep them far and few in between, if that's how the saying goes, but you know what I'm trying to say. And just ending on that, you know, I'm going to be trading tomorrow. On Monday, we have a bank holiday, so look forward to the video tomorrow. It's gonna be good, and I'm looking for to catch some nice trades and yeah, to keep this momentum going. Cheers.